Who do we have here today?
Karina.
Karina, what are we doing?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of the sky with a total stranger.
Yes.
Are we celebrating something?
My birthday.
Today?
Today.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, confessions?
Oh man, no, I'm good.
Just ready to go.
I'm just ready to go.
Next time we see you, we're gonna be in a plane taking off. Let's go have some fun.
Yes.
High five right there.
Yes.
Happy birthday. Here we go.
Right there, that looks great.
Here we go, guys. Ready, set, smile.
You enjoy that? Yeah. Nice. You did absolutely amazing. You want to fly this thing?
Yeah, can I?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Alright. Arms all the way up. This is full fly, alright?
Okay.
So you want to go right, then right elbow. Then go for the left. And then when you want to land this thing, you put it down and hold.
I see.
You got a good grip, right? Just like you're flying.
All right, we're on the ground. We made it. What do you think?
Oh, that was the coolest thing ever.
You did great. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Yeah, that was probably one of the coolest birthdays I've ever had in my life. So.
Awesome.
Woo!
Yeehaw.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much.
Oh yeah.